So in the question we have that during an experiment an ideal gas is found to obey an additional law, that is Vp square is equal to a constant. We know ideal gas equation, that is PV is equal to nRT. N and R will be constant, so we need not to consider this. So P is equal to T by V. So we can substitute P in place of P, T by V. So T by V whole square, because it's P square. This is a constant. So V into T square by V square is equal to constant. So V square and V will get cancelled. So we can write this as T square by V is equal to T1 square by V1. This is the initial temperature, this is initial pressure, this is final temperature, this is final volume. This is initial temperature, this is initial volume, and this is final temperature, and this is final volume. So we need to find the final volume temperature. So T square by V is equal to T1 square, and final volume is given that it is 2 times the initial volume, that is 2V. So V and V will get cancelled. So 2T square is equal to final temperature. So T1 or the final volume is root 2T. So the option is three.